How to recover lost Excel passwords using SysTools Excel Password Recovery.
Try SysTools Excel Password Recovery Tool. Let's discuss key features first.
Recover any Excel password, unlock XLS and xlsx files without changing original data, supporting all character types.
Smart recovery modes. Use brute force for unknown passwords or mask attack when you remember partial hints. Fast and secure cracking. Cracks passwords up to 12 characters quickly with full safety assurance.
Broad Excel compatibility. Supports Excel 2024 to 2007 and earlier versions.
To download the software, open Google and search for
SysTools Excel Password Recovery Tool.
Now, click on the first link. Then click on the Download button. Once downloaded, simply install the SysTools Excel Password Recovery Tool on your system.
First, let's check the protected Excel file whose password we want to recover. Open the file, and as you can see, it's password protected. Now let's open the software to begin the recovery process.
This is the interface of the Excel Password Recovery Tool. On the top left, you'll see the Select File section, where you need to import your password-protected Excel file. Click the Browse button on the right, choose your file from the new window, and hit Open. Your Excel file is now successfully imported.
Now the tool provides two recovery methods, and you can choose the one that suits your requirement. The first option is the brute force method. Just below it, you'll find various settings you can configure. Under the Select Char Set section, you can provide additional details about your password if you remember anything. Enabling Include uppercase letters makes the tool try only capital letters. Include lowercase letters limits the attempt to small letters. Include numbers makes it try numeric characters only. Special characters include symbols like hashtag, @ $, exclamation, %, and include space or tab will make it use these characters while cracking. These options help narrow down the password and speed up the recovery.
On the right, you'll find the Password Starts With option, where you can specify what type of character the password begins with, such as an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number, special character, or even none if you're unsure. On the left, under Password Length in Characters, you can enter the approximate length of the password. Simply set the maximum number of characters in the Max field and the minimum number in the Min field. This helps the tool narrow down the search and recover the password more efficiently.
Now, let's look at the second recovery method, the partial known password option. The settings on the left are the same as those in the brute force method. On the right, you'll find the prefix and suffix fields, where you can enter any part of the password you remember. For example, if your password is SysTools@123 and you remember it starts with SYS, you can enter that in the prefix field. If you know it ends with 123, you can enter that in the suffix field. This helps the tool recover the password more quickly and accurately. Since we don't know the password at all, we'll go with the brute force method. Below that, we'll enable uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. You can also turn on Include Space or tab if needed. Once everything is set, click the Recover button at the bottom right. The recovery process will begin, and the time it takes will depend on how complex the password is.
The password recovery process has completed successfully. Click the OK button to continue. Your recovered password will appear in the Password column. If you want to copy it, click the Copy Password button at the bottom left. On the right, you'll see the Open Database button.
Clicking this will open your password-protected Excel file. Now, paste the recovered password in the password field using Ctrl+V and click OK. The Excel file will open successfully.
Using SysTools Excel Password Recovery Tool, you can quickly recover Excel password within few minutes.
Log on to the product page for more details to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.